Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this short video tutorial, we're going to show you how to round numbers down quickly and easily in Excel. If you're interested in how to round numbers up, check out our video how to round up in Excel. Let's take a look at it together. Let's click into cell C3, enter the equal sign and type the round down function. Now we need to take two pieces of data. The first is the cell that contains the number that we want to round down. So we'll click on cell B3, we'll enter a comma and we can enter another number that determines how many decimal places the result should have. We now want to round down to 1 decimal place, so we enter 1. We close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel immediately rounded the number for us. Let's move on. If we would like to round a number down to 2 decimal places, we just need to enter the number 2 in the function instead of the number 1. The number will be rounded down to 2 decimal places. Using positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and so on, we can round off any number of decimal places. If we would like to round a number to an integer, we enter the number 0 into the function. One last thing before we finish. If we want to round a number down to tens or hundreds, which means moving to the left of the decimal point, we have to use a negative number in the formula. Therefore, we must always put a minus sign in parentheses along with the number. Let's take one example. We want to round a number to the nearest hundred, so we enter the number -2. Well done. That was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Did another videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.